So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Today I am at Mancherial in Telangana. Firstly, my special thanks to Mr. Krishna ji for inviting us to Mancherial.
My pleasure Krishna Chaitanya gar. Welcome everyone. Myself Yetipati Sai Krishna. By profession I am a yoga teacher, MSc Yoga Therapy from Bengaluru, and I also serve free yoga at Mancherial district at many places. That's my introduction. I am from engineering background to the yoga background. Cut short. Let us get to the most lovable electric scooter of our India, Ather 450X. So if you are familiar with this, the 450X model has been launched last year in 2020. Coming to the specifications, I have bought this bike in this year January month. I am a happy customer. I am using it since 10 months. As I said, I am into yoga, so I have many volunteer friends, so I need to give this EV to many other people of my friends. So I have done a very much rugged usage of 10 months. Roughly 50 of my friends have been using this vehicle since 10 months. As you are familiar with it, this is having a Snapdragon 212 processor with 1.3 GHz, supports 4G and has a 8 GB of internal storage and 22 liters of boot space, more than Activa.
But my question, you touched up to 9,000 kilometers in Ather 450X.
Yes, almost 9,000.
In this 9,000 kilometers, what are the positives and negatives you have observed in this Ather 450X?
The best point is the speed, the acceleration, instant acceleration. I am very much happy with it. And the key point which Ather provides is the center of gravity, and the weight of it is 48:52. Even if I go at 70-80 speed in trial test, it has good balance in braking and everything. The odd effect or the odd thing which I am a little bit disappointed is when I use, although the company has said this is not for a rugged usage, we will be launching in coming years the rugged versions or many other. There are nearby many villages which we conduct yoga camps and awareness camps. So when we travel there in rugged Indian muddy roads, so the front fork gets loosed up. That makes the doom sound a little bit, and the fork makes it one-sided driving. That's one thing I've noticed. And one more thing which I noticed is when I put it to a complete charge at night, it fills up. And I tested it the next day. Once I charge it fully to the night and check it in the morning, 2 to 3% has been dropping per night.
Have you stopped the MCB or not?
I haven't stopped the MCB.
Okay, maybe that's one of the reasons.
Yes, that's one of the reason. There is a switch off button in it, and I've snapped every picture of it. I've tested the top speed. I will
90 kph you reached it here.
Yes, I have reached 90 kph in sport mode and warp mode, and I have tested the speed in the low speed and acceleration in low battery stage.
Okay, what is the speed in the low battery stage?
The average is 25. The top speed in 0 to 1% is 41 kilometers. I have tested.
Okay, in the sports mode, especially the warp mode, what is the range you will get in Ather 450X?
It is near to 50 kmpl.
That's it.
That's
50 kilometers of range.
Yes, that's it.
In the eco mode?
In the eco mode, as they have guaranteed, the IDC range is 116. I have got 110 kilometers, 112 kilometers. I have driven from Mancherial to Kagasnagar, Mancherial to Chennur, Mancherial to Karimnagar with this bike. I have a few friends who can charge up in Kagasnagar or Karimnagar. And in warp mode, I have experienced 50 to the top. And in a mix of all modes, I have experienced 85, 80, somewhere around there. If you maintain a speed of 20 to 30 kmpl in eco mode or the ride mode, we will be getting 100. I have experienced it multiple times, 100 kmpl.
Okay. And what about the suspension of Ather 450X? Are you satisfied with that? You said that there is some loose issue.
Yes.
What about the rear suspension?
Yes, Rare is a monoshock suspension which is very much comfortable and I enjoy it. Very much satisfied with the Rare suspension.
Okay. Or how about the seat? Is it comfortable in this toughest road conditions of India?
It's comfortable. I am expecting a backrest. If they would have provided that, that would be even more comfortable. When I warp, suddenly my back friends will be falling off. I need to check back whether they are on the seat or not.
Okay. So you have faced such incidents.
Yes, I have faced multiple incidents where I have, now, are you there, man? I need to look back and confirm.
Okay. And how about this? Have you observed any power change? I mean, in your power bill, have you observed any change after using Ather 450X?
As we knew, the company has said roughly 2 to 2.5 units. In a regular Indian states, the power bill for 1 unit is roughly 5 to 6 rupees. So depending on my usage, the monthly bill depends on the kilometers we roam. 50 to 100 rupees will be there. So nothing to worry. 100 kilometers of travel or 80 kilometers of travel depending on your usage will be charged for 12 to 15 rupees approx in Indian roads.
Okay. And this is the main question. You are staying in Mancherial. Whereas Ather 450X, there is no showrooms available in Mancherial. Every time you need to go to Hyderabad, which is close to 250 kilometers from here.
Yes.
Isn't that a problem for you?
I am really happy to raise such question. So I should thank for raising awareness of the electric vehicles to many people, including EV Chamli, and also the Ather showroom people like the department who are into the sales department, Sandeep Nagallaji, and the service department, Sampath and Mustafa. They are all very friendly to me. Whenever I go to Hyderabad, I use railway transport. Roughly, I will be charged around 500 for Mancherial to Hyderabad for this, 100 rupees for me. So 600 up, 600 down charge, 1200. They are doing a free service, which is included in the cost, billing cost, which I have paid in the buying price.
Oh, the 1200 rupees your travel expenses, they are covering that.
No. I'm telling the service is free for
Okay.
3 years. Only the travel expenses is I am bearing.
Okay. So, but it is a concern for you, right? Isn't it? You need to travel.
Yes, I need to travel all the way to Hyderabad. I suggest, Ather, could you please expand your service centers and provide good service so that you could have a good reach.
So finally, Mr. Krishna ji, I can see that you are an environment lover and you are using this Ather 450X for more than 9,000 kilometers. In your overall experience, what are the feedbacks you want to give to Ather Energy in terms of the vehicle improvement?
One thing I appreciate Ather for doing good job for making such a wonderful scooter. The first thing which I need to mention is you are giving a good price to feature scooter. I hope you will reduce the price in coming days for all economic class people. The same model will be reduced. We would be very happy. And there are many custom fits in the outside regarding footrest, regarding center stand, regarding backrest. As you said, fitting the center stand would damage the battery. Fitting some other things would lead to spoil the center of gravity thing. So please take that into note. Center stand, side stand you are already providing, backrest, and Sari guard. I think Sari guard is there beside. So one thing is we are expecting a good mileage. If we can have an upgradability of a bigger battery in one or the other way, we would be very happy to do that. And I'm very happy, as I said, but you have removed the buyback option since the July of 2021. There is no buyback option for the new customers, which would make the customers to get worried. What happens if we get something wrong with the scooty, or if we have any emergency experiences, how could we get our money back one or the other way? So customers, they expect some kind of standard assurance so that you could provide a buyback.
And my last question to you, are you not worried about the Ather Grid charging station, because no Ather Grid charging stations are available here? Of course, Ather is currently available in Hyderabad. They are launching one more showroom in Nagol. And this is one thing. And now Ola is one more strong player enter into the EV industry.
Yes.
And the Ola electric scooter, they are offering the same specifications in 1 lakh rupees. Don't you feel bothered after launching, after seeing the pricing of Ola?
I'm nothing much worried about the Ola launch. Good competition is always welcomed, one or the other model.
Not competition, but the pricing factor.
The pricing factor. So as I mentioned, Ather is giving good price to features. Ola is a good competitor to it, and I thank Ather for providing free grid charges since 2020 January up to 2021 December, and I've also heard the news that you are going to extend the free grid charging thing. Please expand the charging stations, that's the only request, and the service centers. And I'm having no issues, and I'm very much happy with the Ather. And I also suggest new buds, they can take Ather or Ola, protect the nature, come out of the fossil fuels thing, come to the EV.
And finally, how much you paid for Ather 450X?
The price which I paid for Ather 450X in the January of 2021 is 1,81,000 rupees. Purchased at Hyderabad X showroom price.
So full payment or?
Full payment. I have done one-time payment, and now HDFC and Hero FinCorp and IFDC are the two companies which are providing EMIs for Ather. You can go through them.
So that's the complete review about Ather 450X from Mancherial, and from his experience we can understand that the major issues what he observed in this Ather 450X is the suspension. Because of the toughest road conditions, the front fork suspension usually get loosened up. That is one thing. And servicing also, he need to travel to Hyderabad. It is close to 250 kilometers, and he is requesting Ather Energy to start showrooms near in Mancherial, not just in Telangana, all other parts of where customers buy Ather 450X. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please to subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. If you want to share your ownership review with us, please fill the form in the description below, and we will come to you and take your ownership review.
Go green, go electric.